Organizers of a Christmas event are apologizing after a fire alarm reportedly caused Santa to burst out of his grotto, rip off his beard and hat, and yelled, "Get the expletive out" at children. I'm having a hard time keeping it together for this one, folks. This all went down in the English town of St. Ives, Cambridgeshire on Sunday. Investigators say a smoke machine at a nearby event set off a fire alarm. Event organizers say that Santa was merely trying to help get people out safely, but a witness says that parents were telling children the man wasn't the real Santa, but an imposter who would be going on the naughty list. Well played, parents. Matt Yurus for KDKA News.